Good day, Solar. Welcome back to another unboxing. We're gonna unbox this Ongrid inverter. This one, Sunways Ongrid inverter. This is 5 kilowatt Ongrid inverter. So let's open it. Let's see what's inside. Guys, okay, let's check what's included. This is manuals. Let's see. We have user's manual. Then we have quick installation guide, and this one is certificate products inspection report. Okay. And this is the mounting bracket of this Ongrid inverter. Okay. We have here the side. What's this? This is limiter. And we have a box here on the other side. Let's see. Okay. We have our AC connector. This one. We have sets of screws. We have 2 sets of MC4 connector. And this is our Wi-Fi dongle to monitor application monitoring apps to connect to the inverter. Okay, let's open. Okay, this one is our inverter itself. So let's try. Look. We have our silicone gel. Okay, here is our inverter. By the way, we have OLED touchscreen here. Okay, let's see what's this one. Is the AC connector. This one, and we connect the connector here, the AC input and output. This is our COM for our limiter. We connect it here. Then this one is the connection of Wi-Fi dongle. And we have 2 MPPTs, the positive. This one is both positive and this one is negative. So positive and negative here. As you can see on the label, it's separated. And the on and off switch. Okay. And here, this one. This we will fix on the wall, the bracket, then put this inverter. That's it, guys. It's a simple. It's Ongrid inverter. You can see here the label, the specifications, and the barcode of this inverter. Okay. Okay, guys. This is a simple inverter Ongrid. On-grid or grid tie is the same. You are connected to the grid. It will not function unless you have a grid connected. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you.